From bridges to robots, from software to satellites, engineering seems to involve thousands of different activities. Research, calculate, design, simulate, build, inspect, manufacture, improve. The list seems endless. But beneath all this complexity lies a surprisingly simple pattern. Every engineer repeatedly performs just three fundamental actions: explore, create, and evaluate.
Mechanical engineers design machines. Civil engineers build bridges. Electrical engineers develop power and control systems. Software engineers write computer programs. Chemical engineers create industrial processes. Biomedical engineers develop technologies that improve healthcare. At first glance, they all seem to do completely different jobs. But are they really?
Every day, engineers perform a wide variety of activities. They brainstorm new ideas, talk with customers, conduct research, create CAD models, perform engineering calculations, write software, run computer simulations, design electronic circuit boards, build prototypes, manufacture products, test their designs, and carefully inspect the final results. Looking at all these activities, engineering seems incredibly complex. The list appears almost endless.
But look more carefully. Behind all these different engineering activities, there is a hidden pattern. Every activity belongs to one of only three universal engineering actions: explore, create, and evaluate. Engineers explore to understand the problem. They create possible solutions. Then they evaluate how well those solutions work. This is the first big revelation. Before solving a problem, engineers first need to understand it. They observe carefully, ask questions, talk to customers, study existing knowledge, make measurements, and investigate how things really work. This stage is called explore. Great engineering always begins with understanding first. Once engineers understand the problem, they begin to create possible solutions. They imagine new ideas, sketch concepts, develop CAD models, design circuits, write programs, build mechanisms, and construct prototypes. This stage is called create. Create means turning ideas into possible solutions. Creating a solution is only the beginning. Engineers must now find out whether it actually works. They test the design, make accurate measurements, compare the results with the original requirements to identify improvements needed in the next cycle. This stage is called evaluate. Good engineering decisions are always based on evidence, not assumptions. Now let's see how engineers solve a real engineering problem. Imagine a customer says, "This washing machine is too noisy." That simple complaint becomes the starting point for the entire engineering process. Let's discover how engineers turn this problem into a better solution. Now we can see the complete engineering process in action. Engineers begin by exploring the problem. They interview the customer, measure the vibration, and inspect the washing machine. Next, they create possible solutions, such as a better suspension system, an improved drum, or new control software. Finally, they evaluate each solution through testing, customer feedback, and performance comparison to identify the best solution. Does engineering stop after one design cycle? Almost never. After evaluating the solution, engineers often discover new questions, new ideas, or new problems. So they return to explore, develop better solutions during create, and evaluate again. Here is the second big revelation. Engineering is not a straight line from start to finish. Engineers continuously explore, create, and evaluate. Then they explore again with new knowledge, create better solutions, and evaluate once more. These three actions repeat throughout every engineering project. Here is the third important insight. The three engineering actions never change. Engineers always explore, create, and evaluate. What changes is their focus. During thinking, they explore ideas, create concepts, and evaluate possibilities. During engineering, they explore technical solutions, create detailed designs,
and evaluate performance. During manufacturing, they explore production methods, create the product, and evaluate quality. The actions stay the same, only the focus changes.
We've discovered that every engineer, regardless of discipline, performs the same 3 fundamental actions: explore, create, and evaluate. But our journey has only just begun. In the next episode, we'll dive into the thinking phase of the TEM design spiral and answer an important question. What exactly do engineers explore before any design begins? I'll see you in the next episode.
Journey, though thinking, engineering, manufacturing. We encounter, explore, create, and evaluate.